In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn really good money with affiliate marketing. And I mean, not like $10 here, $20 there. I mean, at least $1,000 per day if you actually do this. Money that is going to change your life forever. Maybe you don't want $1,000 per day. Maybe you just need 5,000 per month, maybe 2,000 per month. Well, at the end of the day, it's going to be up to you, but I'm talking about money that is going to be changing your life. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can really earn good money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so let me show you everything. Okay, first of all, really quick, just in case that you don't know for whatever reason, what is actually affiliate marketing? Well, here you are. Here we have a customer or someone who is looking to solve a problem. And here we have someone who create a product. Okay, so you are here. There is a customer, a client, someone who have a problem, they want to solve it, and you're telling them like, hey, here I have this problem, but well, okay, don't worry, you have this solution and this is how you can make money online. We are not actually selling stuff. We are actually referring people to to a solution to their problem. Okay, it's like if someone is telling you like, hey, I want to go to the movie on Saturday. What did you really watch or did you really enjoy lately? And you're telling like, this is the best movie ever, you should watch it. Okay, you were doing affiliate marketing, except for the fact that you were not getting paid, but you were referring someone who, in this case, they have a problem. It's a pretty big problem. They just want to to be entertained during the weekend, and you were the expert and you provide them the information. This is exactly the same with affiliate marketing. This business model has been around since forever. Okay, so this is not something new, but someone named it affiliate marketing to put it, fancy. Okay, so now that we understand it, we have it clear, here you are, there is a customer, someone who have a problem that they want to solve. And here we have a product that can solve it and you're going to be earning money. But not all the products has been created equals. Okay, we have what we call low ticket product. Okay, low ticket products are basically products that someone is gonna buy. The customer is gonna buy it, and they're gonna be paying it between $1 to $100, and chances are that you are gonna be, getting paid 50% of the commission. So, let's say that you are gonna be selling, a product in which you are gonna be earning a commission, and the commission is going to be $10. Okay, maybe you're like me, and this is an error that I did before, was like, yeah, $10 easy sale, right? Super easy. Everybody's going to buy it because this is a no-brainer option. Everybody's going to love it. But the problem with that is that if you want to earn $10,000, okay, this is your goal. Your goal is that you want to earn $10,000. Okay, this is your goal. So in order to achieve this, you will need to find 1,000 customers. Okay, you will need to get 1,000 people who are gonna be not actually are gonna be, who are interested and decided to make the purchase. Okay, so you need 1,000 customers if you want to earn $10,000, and imagine this per month. But there is another type of affiliate programs, right, which is actually high ticket. You're gonna be getting paid at least $1,000 per sale. Remember, you're not gonna be doing the sale. You're just gonna be referring people to the product. They're going to be taking care of the payment processor. They're going to be taking care of the customer service. But now you just need 10 customers. That's all that you need. Okay, you just need 10 people and you're going to be earning the same $10,000. People think that this is actually hard. Okay, that's what people think. Okay, $10 is actually hard. $1,000 per product, that sounds, Jesus, really difficult. But to be honest, guys, and this is actually based on my experience, this is way easier to achieve. It's way easier to find 10 people than to find 1,000 per month. Money wise, it's also way harder to get your money back if you are investing on paid traffic. If you are doing this, okay, if you're doing this, it's way harder. But if you're doing this, it's way easier. Okay, also, something that you need to take into consideration is the fact that, okay, everything depends on your mindset. Okay, why people think, and this actually include me, before I experienced it, before I changed my mindset, I was like, okay, it's hard. Why people are gonna buy for me? But let me tell you something, like a real life example. Let's say that you're a realtor and this is supposed to be a building. I know it's different. It's really futuristic, but this is the actual building, and you have several apartments. You have apartment A, apartment B, apartment C, apartment D, and you have your penthouse. Okay, this is the penthouse here at the top. Okay, there is someone who is telling you, okay, I'm ready to purchase a property. I'm looking for a penthouse. I want this and this and this and this, and I want to invest $5 million. Okay, that's my budget, $5 million. But you're telling them, like, right now, I don't have a penthouse available, but I have this really fancy apartment, which is 150,000. You know, one room, one bathroom. I have this other one, which is, you know, nicer. It's gonna be 750, right? So you have this and you have that and you have that. People are not gonna buy this, okay? Because they're looking for this. They're looking for the penthouse. They're willing to invest 5 million because they understand the value. They have a different mindset. They don't want the $150,000 product. They are not looking for that. They are looking for something way nicer with a different value. Maybe it can be something personalized. Okay, maybe you're selling, you know, a high ticket program in which people are gonna receive, you know, really great mentorship. It's not gonna be a coaching call, because also trust me, it's way easier, you know, to deal with just 10 people rather than to deal with 1,000 people. Okay, this is a really big community. It maybe chances are that you're like thinking like, no, it's not that big. Yeah, it's a lot of people. It doesn't matter if you put them on Facebook group, if you have a Telegram group, or where you put it. It's a lot of people. But if you are selling something that it's actually premium, that if they have a question, they're gonna get a really good answer right away, that it's gonna be personalized. Okay, they are looking for this. The person who is looking for the penthouse, they are actually looking for this. They are not looking for the $10 product. They don't need it. Okay, so that's something that you actually need to understand. Okay, but not all high ticket programs are created equal. I'm going to let you know which are the low ticket programs that I actually recommend you guys to have. Okay, so this is going to be low ticket. So there are two types. First of all, there is something that is called Tripwire. Okay, what is actually a Tripwire is it can be a mini course. Okay, you know, it's a small trial, so it can be a program or a software, or it can be, you know, a small course. So this can be a mini course that they're solving a specific product, and the price can be up to $97. This is even considered a Tripwire, but most of the time the price goes between 7 and 17. Okay, the other type is the recurrent. Okay, recurrent. Okay, what does the recurrent means? Well, it means that someone decide to join. Maybe you're promoting a software. Okay, they decided to join, so you're gonna get paid. Okay, here, And as long as they remain being a customer, you are going to be getting paid month after month after month after month. This is a good way to make money online, but also you need to understand that there are people who are going to be, trying it for 1 to 4 months, and there are others who, which is going to be the least, okay, they're going to be, doing this for a really long time. But as long as they're using, the program, the software, you're going to be getting money. So this is a good way. You need to use the Tripwire in a really strategic way. Okay, there is something that is called the value ladder. Okay, so most of the time we start with something that is actually free. Okay, and then because we want to capture people's name and email, then we have a Tripwire. Let's say that this Tripwire is going to be a $7 product, and here on this Tripwire, you are gonna, well, not actually you, but the person who actually created the program, they are gonna guide them to this high ticket program or this high ticket offer. Okay, they know, they are like, wow, this is amazing, but I really need this. This was like a small try. Okay, so this is a great way in which you guys can use the Tripwire. Okay, so now that you know this, you might be like, okay, I want this. What's the strategy? How can I do this? By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay, so this goes like this. Okay, so here we have what we call the capture page. Okay, we have the capture page. Whoops. Okay, so we have the capture page here. Also, here we have what we call a bridge page. Okay, we have a bridge page, and here we have the offer. Okay, so here we have the offer. Okay, how does this works? Well, here on the capture page, you're gonna ask people to provide you their name and their email address. Okay, so this is actually free. Here on the bridge page, where you're gonna be doing this, can be written or this can be on a video. I prefer to do this on a video. You're gonna let them know like, hey, thanks, for your interest and taking action. There is this and this program with this person, or there's this software that is gonna make your life easier, whatever the solution is. And then we have this person who is most of the time going to be doing a webinar. Okay, and they're gonna be, providing people tons of value, so you are gonna get the commission. Okay, you're not gonna be doing the sale. This is the person who actually create the software, the person who actually create the product, service, is going to be doing the sale. What if they decide not to buy for whatever reason? Maybe they don't have the money right away. They're a special one just getting, or their kids, life happens. Okay, you're going to be sending them emails. Okay, reminding them that, hey, just in case that you missed this, you didn't have the time to watch it, you're still thinking about it. Okay, here we have the FAQs. Here we have all the information that you need to that you need to have. Here you can watch the replay, everything. Okay, so you are gonna be sending them all the information via email. And remember, guys, this is life-changing money. Okay, what a lot of people are trying to do is they are trying to be like, no, I'm gonna be also having the offer here. Okay, the page who sells the product, and people are gonna purchase right away because my product, it is actually a no-brainer. Remember, this is a $7 product, but you are actually with a hit and miss strategy. You are begging someone to make the purchase right away, and they might not be prepared. Okay, it's not necessarily that they don't have the money, but they might not be prepared. Maybe they are at the supermarket, they saw your ad, they're interested, but they are not ready. But if you have their email address, as I mentioned here, you're gonna have more options to sell them or to send them, sorry, to the offer. Okay, so this is actually how you guys can actually make money that is going to be changing your life forever. If you want to learn more about this, follow the very first link in the description. Okay, so you can learn more about this, and don't worry, you don't need to pay like, yeah, well, you're gonna be surprised. Let's put it that way. You're gonna be really, really surprised in a positive way. But again, if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.